So one of the things that you can do inside a VLC Media Player is go ahead and control it using a remote app. So to do that over here, you need to go ahead and then install a remote app on your mobile phone. So for example, you can go ahead and install VLC Mobile Remote PC and Mac. So after that, you also need to download a desktop client for it, which is via VMR Connect from VLCMobile.remote.com, and download it and install it out onto your PC. So once that is done, what you can do is go ahead and use an app like VLC Mobile Remote right here, just like this. So you need to go ahead and select out your particular desktop as you actually go ahead and then see it. Then you'll get the control right here, just like this. You see the play pause button, you see the volume button right here. As long as your computer and then your mobile app are on the same network, you will be able to go ahead and connect it and control it directly by using an app like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then use VLC Remote Control app in VLC Media Player. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.